in partnership with CommSec.
Well, I think there's been a bump up today when it comes to Tesla's stock price. Ryan Felsman's here to explain how the S&P go overall as we lead up to this big decision, Ryan.
Well, Pete, our market's expected to open higher on Wednesday, up by 30 points or 0.4% at the start of trade. That would be a third consecutive day of gains, supported by higher commodity prices. You're quite right, the S&P 500 index was down 1% on Liberation Day, ahead of the rollout of tariffs expected in 15 minutes, but is now up by 0.5%. We've also seen the Dow Jones lift by 200 points or 0.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq index is currently up by 140 points or 0.8%. You mentioned Tesla. Its shares are currently up 5% on reports by Politico that its CEO Elon Musk will step away from his advisory role with the Department of Government Efficiency. We did see Tesla shares down by 6.4% earlier in the session after its first quarter deliveries plunged by 13%. We've also seen e-commerce giant Amazon shares lift by 1.5%, and that's on the back of a bid submitted to the White House for video app TikTok in the United States. We've seen bank shares lift by 2%, with Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley both lifting by around 3%. In the commodity space, we've seen the US All NYMEX price up by 0.7% to $71.71 US a barrel. Gold futures are up by 0.6% to $3,166.20 US an ounce, near another record high. And iron ore futures are up 2% to $104.25 US a tonne. We've got an update on job vacancies today. We've also got the Reserve Bank's Financial Stability Review, and the Aussie dollar is currently trading at 62.95 US cents, Pete.
Okay, Ryan, thank you so much.